Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XPPen Artist 24 Pro 2.5K QHD. If you want an extra wide working space to create your art, the 20.7-inch widescreen of the XPPen Artist 24 Pro drawing tablet should do the trick. It's a sensitive device that reacts precisely to the pen, and at a 2560 by 1440 pixel density, the images you create or edit will be crystal clear. The colors are also impressive. The tablet can display 16.7 million colors, including true blacks and bright whites. It has 20 customizable buttons placed around the screen, which you can set to functions like copy, paste, and more. For around $900 before sale, that's a pretty darn respectable price for what you get. This is a large and heavy tablet, so it's a better choice for someone with dedicated studio or office space than for an artist who tends to be on the move. As with most drawing tablets, it requires a connection to a computer, but it can run Windows, Mac, or Linux operating systems. The XPPen Artist 24 Pro comes with 2 battery-free styluses and several cables that will help you connect it to your computer. Just be ready to undergo a potentially frustrating process to get the proper software and drivers installed, which is one of the main complaints from users. Number 2. Wacom Cintiq 22. The Wacom Cintiq 22 offers a generous screen size while still tucking away in a backpack or briefcase. Its LCD display can register the pen's 8,192 pressure levels and offers full HD to showcase gorgeous, vibrant colors. A built-in stand allows for the tablet to rest flat or pivot upward to 82 degrees, so you can work however you find the most ergonomically comfortable for your hands and wrists. It also has lag-free tracking, so you work on your art in real time without any delays in your pen strokes. For those that use shortcuts, there are 2 switches to help you access them quickly. While this is hardly an inexpensive drawing tablet, its price is not so high as to be a barrier for those looking for professional-grade hardware. The hardware you get with this drawing tablet, particularly with the Pro Pen 2, is a bit of an issue, however. According to reports from verified buyers, the nibs wear down too quickly with heavy use and need to be regularly replaced. It's worth it to buy new pen nibs as needed, because the highly sensitive screen of the Wacom Cintiq 22 can react with precision to the angle at which a pen makes contact, creating lines of fittingly varied thickness and texture. Number 3. Xencelabs Drawing Tablet Medium. The Xencelabs Drawing Tablet Medium is an affordable yet capable choice for budding artists and designers. While it doesn't have its own built-in screen, it easily pairs with your computer, tablet, or display, which some people see as a critical flaw. If you're comfortable looking at one screen while drawing on another surface, this drawing tablet is a great choice. Its remote control can be programmed with up to 40 custom functions, and the remote's large illuminated dial offers precise control for things like digital marker or brush thickness. The working space is on the smaller side here. Still, this is a compact and lightweight drawing tablet that can easily be used on the go. It can last for over 24 hours per charge, so no need to worry about battery life. A gentle slope at the tablet's bottom edge promotes proper hand positioning and comfort. 2. Number 4. Huion Kamvas Pro 24 4K. The Huion Kamvas Pro 24 4K drawing tablet's graphics showcase over 1 billion colors, and the tablet has an excellent one, 200:1 contrast ratio and 140% sRGB color gamut. With 4K UHD graphics, the 3840 by 2160 pixels mean you can see every detail as you're drawing and sketching. Another perk? The tablet works with most artistic software, including Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. It also comes with a mini key dial for programming shortcuts, and the pen has 2 buttons, too. Another great feature about the pen is that it has a points per second (PPS) rate of 300, which is how frequently the pen sends positioning data to computer, which results in smoother, more accurate brush strokes. The tablet also has an anti-glare screen, so you can work without worrying about sun glare or bright lights in your workspace. Some people complain about the annoying process of physically connecting this tablet to a computer, say it must be actively unplugged and then reconnected every time you shut the system down. And a few people reported their Kamvas Pro 24 breaking down completely within a mere 2 years of purchase. Most of the reviews for this drawing tablet are glowing, however, which makes sense given other highlights like the aforementioned PPS report rate and its 60-degree stylus tilt sensitivity. And while it's not as heavy as the XPPen Artist 24 Pro 2.5 K QHD, it's still 13.6 pounds, so don't expect to tuck this into your bag regularly. Number 5. Wacom Cintiq Pro 17. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 17 drawing tablet is a professional-grade piece of hardware that is ready for use by full-time artists, graphic designers, architects, and more. Its display refreshes at 120 Hz, so you can work with minimal lag. The 10-point multi-touch display can be turned, swiped on, or zoomed in or out from the same manner, as you control a smartphone screen with your fingers, too. Its UHD display has a 3840 by 2160 pixel resolution, and the color support can show over 1 billion different hues with an 88% Adobe RGB and a 99% DCI. P3 for lifelike, vibrant colors. This is an expensive drawing tablet, but it comes with some deal sweeteners, including 10 replacement nibs for the included Pro Pen 3. It also comes with a pen holder and a stand, as well as the cables needed to connect the tablet to your computer. It's compatible with most common operating systems, including Linux, macOS, or Windows. Just keep in mind that users report that the fans are a little loud on this device.